This is parliamentary dictation with speed of 80 words per minute taken from Progressive Shorthand Monthly, February 2025. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready. It is the essence of the matter that you know the work you are doing, and that is a very noble work. The work of transmission of the old culture to the new generation. There are two sides to the situation. There is the student, the boy and girl, and there are the things of culture, the things that human beings by their cultural efforts have made. They take different forms. They take the form of books. They take the form of songs. They take the form of buildings. They take the form of places. They take all sorts of forms. What forms would suit a particular boy is more than the boy immediately knows. It is your business to find out. It is your business to expose him to the various facts of the culture, which is his culture and from which only he can be educated, and see which part of the culture appeals to him more, for which part has he understanding, for which part has he a flair, and make use of that part in order to develop him para. The rest can come as information, because life imparts the information, but in order to build up, you have to harness his inclinations to the good of culture, which are incorporations of those learning, and when you bring them together, the child begins to grow. The child begins to grow on those goods of culture by understanding them, by adding on to them, by amending them, by changing them, by appreciating them. He also becomes a cultured human being, and a cultured human being is the end of educational effort. What I am saying is easily said, is difficult to do, and I want you to do the difficult thing. Don't be satisfied with the easy things. Para. The easy thing is usually wrong and in a process as complicated as education. The easy thing is more often than not wrong. Therefore, apply yours mind to understanding the personality of the students and apply your mind to the structure of the cultural goods which are the instrument of education, and try to find out the correspondence between the two and bring them together. You have to awaken this consciousness in him also, so that the approaches his problem as I am requesting you to approach yours. If that is done, education would a different thing. Para. It was mainly on account of this view of education that I was at a certain time responsible for the advocating the scheme of basic education. I have been called the father of basic education. It is not a very proud thing to be a father of still born child, but in any case one does one's best. Basic education, in my opinion, has not had a fair trial. Stop.